Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the handling of heavy materials in industries and electrical machine winding. First of all, let us start with handling of heavy materials and equipments. Lifting and handling of loads. Generally speaking, safety is always an ongoing process to control potential hazards. In industries and workshops, it is common to lift or move a heavy materials or loads from one place to another, but wrong lifting techniques can result in injury. Always wear proper PPE that are required for different jobs. Some common PPEs are gloves, safety glasses, safety shoes, and hats. Before moving any equipment or motors, ensure that the equipment is disconnected from the power supply and that the base plate nuts of the motor have been removed. We need to ensure to know the position or location where the equipment is to be placed and the route to the location. Moving heavy equipment. Generally, heavy equipments are moved in industry using any of the following methods. Crane and slings, winches, machine moving platforms, layers and rollers. Using crane and slings. While using slings, damaged slings must not be used. We need to distribute the weight as evenly as possible between the slings when using more than one sling. Raising a load with sling. We have to check that the slings are correctly secured to the load and the hook. Ensure they are not twisted or caught on a projecting part of the load. Before starting to lift a load, verify that the assistant is ready to lift the load. Warning should be given to the nearby workers that the lifting is about to begin. Lifting should be slow. We have to take care to avoid being crushed against other objects as the load rises. Since the workplace may be sound, displaying gestures and hand signals are also fail-safe communication strategies that people can opt for. Hand signal for lifting up, down, side can be easily understood. Position yourself close to the equipment to be lifted. Lift the equipment from the floor using the correct posture and carry the equipment to the workbench safely, keeping the equipment close to your body. Safely lower the equipment carefully and place the equipment on the floor and adjust it to the correct position. Next, we can move on to motor stator rewinding. Motor rewinding. At very first, we have to read, record and interpret the winding data of the motor to be rewinding. For rewinding of a motor, first we have to dismantle the motor carefully. After dismantling the motor, remove the wedges by using a power hacksaw blade or by a wedge remover. Cut off the coils in the non-connection end of the stator and strip the old winding from the stator carefully. Remove the slot insulations. Remove all the remaining foreign matter from the slots by scraping with a knife or by blowing compressed air. Then, prepare and insert the slot liners in all the slots properly and see that the slot liners project evenly on both sides of the core. Now, lay the prepared coils step by step in the coil slots as per the design. Insert the wedges in the slots so that the coil sides are well packed in the slots. Make end connection and terminate the lead wire. Then, insulate, bind and shape the overhangs as per the reference in your record. After finishing the rewinding process, reassemble the motor carefully.